Hi dear friends, how are you all? Welcome to our YouTube channel HR Tutorials India. In this video, we'll be discussing what is selection. Selection is the process of picking or choosing the right candidate who is most important suitable for a vacant position in an organization. In other words, selection can also be explained as the process of interviewing the candidates and evaluating their qualities which are required for a specific job and then choosing the suitable candidate for that position. Till now we have seen recruitment, the process of recruitment, interviews and different types of interviews. Finally, now we have landed on selection. Selection is the last stage of recruitment where the right candidates are picked or chosen who are most suitable for the vacant position in the company. In other words, selection is also a process of interviewing the candidates and evaluating their qualities which are required for the specific job in the organization. The selection of a right applicant for a vacant position will be an asset to the organization, which will be helping the organization in reaching its objectives. So, selection of right candidates will help the organization in reaching its objectives because by selecting the right candidate, a right candidate will be always an asset to the company. And when the assets of an organization increases, the value of the organization increases. So, selecting the right applicant is very important. Hence, selection plays an important role in recruitment. What is selection? Different authors define selection in different ways. Here is a list of some definitions. Employee selection is a process of putting a right applicant on a right job. Selection of an employee is a process of choosing the applicants who have the qualification to fill the vacant job in an organization. Selection is a process of identifying and hiring the applicants for filling the vacancies in an organization. Employee selection is a process of matching organization's requirements with the skills and qualifications of individuals. A good selection process will ensure that the organization gets the right set of employees with the right attitude. As we have seen different definitions of selection and the process of selection, it is the responsibility of a HR to ensure that the selection process is good and better because by following a correct selection process, it is easy for the HR to recruit the right employee for the vacant position in an organization. So, hiring the candidate with right attitude is very important. Friends, you might be in dilemma what is recruitment and selection. Till now we have discussed recruitment and now we are discussing about selection. So let us now discuss about the differences between recruitment and selection. Recruitment is defined as the process of identifying and making the potential candidates to apply for jobs, which means recruitment is defined as the process of identifying and making the potential candidates to apply for the jobs in the organization. And recruitment is called as a positive process with its approach of attracting as many candidates as possible for the vacant jobs. Which means recruitment is known to be a positive process wherein the candidates who are applying for the vacant jobs are made to attract the company and apply for the vacant position in the company. Coming to selection. Selection is defined as the process of choosing the right candidates for the vacant positions. Now you might be having a difference what recruitment selection is. In recruitment, candidates are identified whereas in selection, the candidates are picked and chosen from the candidates who have applied for jobs in recruitment. Selection is called as a negative process with its elimination or rejection of as many candidates as possible for identifying the right candidate for the position. Selection is a negative process, whereas recruitment is a positive process. In recruitment, candidates are attracted and pulled for applying for the vacancies, whereas in selection, the candidates are eliminated and rejected for the purpose of identifying and choosing the right candidate for the vacant position in the organization. So dear guys, hope you have understood the differences between recruitment and selection. In this video, we have discussed what is selection and differences between recruitment and selection. If you like this video, please subscribe and share among your friends. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a nice day.